Jasper. What we're most excited to show you today are the updates and newest features of Galaxy AI. There's so much to discover, so let's dive in.
I just scribbled down some new ideas. There's so many notes, I'm starting to lose track.
Galaxy AI is perfect for helping you get your notes organized. Let's start by converting those handwritten notes into easy-to-read text. All you need to do is tap the Galaxy AI icon, then select Auto Format, and choose either headers and bullets or meeting notes. Simply tap Generate Text Layouts at the bottom right, and all those scribbled notes are now formatted into easy-to-read text.
This is perfect.
But Galaxy AI isn't just about being more efficient. It also gives you new ways to be creative. When I hover my S Pen here, this icon appears. After tapping it, I select Sketch to Image and start drawing. Once I have my drawing, at the bottom of the screen, I tap the gray drop-down box to select an image style, and then tap Generate to have Galaxy AI create up to 4 unique AI images for me to choose from.
That one's incredible.
Great, let me save that one.
Oh, there was a landmark I saw in a YouTube video that I'd love to visit, but no matter what I type, I still can't find it.
I got you covered. Why not, instead of typing it, you circle it with Circle to Search. Open the clip of whatever you're looking for, then long press the home button, circle the item, and there it is. The great thing about this feature is not only does it work with images and videos, it also works with text. Go ahead and open up the location that Jasper sent. Then, long press the home button, swipe across the text, and there you go. Now you can see all the details. Easy, right? And this large display gives you more space to explore all the search results. Okay, let's head down to the lobby and see what the guys are up to.
Hey,
What's up?
just looking through some photos.
Hey, I thought I had this great photo of the three of you, but it didn't turn out as well as I thought.
Don't worry, Galaxy AI can help us with that.
I wish we could bring you closer to the other guys.
No problem. At the bottom of the photo, tap the Galaxy AI icon. Then, to select an object or person, simply outline or long press them. You can now resize or move them. Once you're done, tap Generate and let Galaxy AI do its thing.
I didn't know you could do that.
Check out this clip I took with the Galaxy Z Flip6 when we landed at the airport. That's cool, but slow-mo would look better. As your video is playing, tap and hold anywhere on the screen to activate instant slow-mo. Yeah, it's awesome. Oh man.
I love it.
I love it. Now you can save the slow-mo clip by tapping the download icon in the top left corner. To share the video, tap the icon near the bottom right of your screen. Then choose how you want to share it. Let's use Quick Share to send it to nearby devices.
Can you guys hear that?
Rassemblez-vous.
Everything is in French?
Don't worry, with Galaxy AI, we'll be able to understand everything. To activate Interpreter, just swipe down the quick panel, tap Interpreter, then switch to listening mode. Set up the languages you wish to translate, and go hands-free by tilting the screen to create the perfect way to follow along. Okay, let's listen in.
Pour commencer vos explorations, je vous recommande d'aller dans le quartier le plus ancien de Marseille, où se trouvent des rues étroites, des peintures murales colorées et de charmantes boutiques d'artisans qui représentent la richesse et la culture.
Interpreter is great for longer meetings, but did you know it also lets you have shorter back and forth conversations? To start, switch Interpreter to conversation mode. Select the 2 languages, then tap the flex window icon on the top right and set up the Galaxy Z Flip6 like so. Now my screen will translate from French to English, while the flex window will translate from English to French, all in real time. To start, tap the microphone button.
Hi, could you help us find a driver with a car that could fit 4 people?
Oh, absolument. Je connais un chauffeur de SUV qui peut vous accueillir tous confortablement.
Thank you so much. Okay, wish me luck as I try to call this driver. Don't worry, now there's a way to call someone who doesn't speak your language thanks to Galaxy AI. Start by tapping the call button. Then tap the 3 dots in the top right corner and select Settings. Choose Live Translate and tap to switch it on. Now start the call. Tap Call Assist, then tap Live Translate. Choose the languages you want to translate between. Now when you speak, you'll sound like a local.
Bonjour. Cet appel est traduit et sous-titré en direct.
Bonjour, comment puis-je vous aider?
Hello, how may I help you?
We're looking for a driver this afternoon. Are you available?
Bien sûr, envoyez-moi ça.
Of course, just text me the place and time, and I'll be there.
Thank you. I'll send you the details now. So that's gonna come in very handy while we're traveling. What's that effect on your flex window?
Oh, that's my photo ambient wallpaper. To activate this on your phone, simply open Settings, go to Cover Screen, add New, tap Create with AI, choose Photo Ambient, and select an image. Once activated, this will give your Flex window a subtle new visual effect that updates based on the weather of your current location.
It's actually really cool.
Perfect timing. Let me show you a new way to reply to messages on the fly. Now, when you receive a text message, tap the Galaxy AI icon to see a selection of suggested responses based on the last few messages. So you can quickly send a response that sounds just like you, all straight from your Flex window. Clever, right? Here's one more way the Flex window makes this little device so powerful. Now you could take the perfect full-length selfies, hands-free. With the Galaxy Z Flip6 closed, double tap the Flex window and swipe the camera icon diagonally. Then open the screen like this. Now step back and watch the new auto zoom on FlexCam automatically adjust to ensure you're perfectly in frame.
Wow, that's incredible.
Now I could just take a pic.
Hey, ready to head out?
Yeah.
Let's go. We'll catch up with you guys.
Meet you guys out there.
Okay, so as you can see, the possibilities of Galaxy AI are endless. From helping you organize your busy lives to creating new ways to share memories and even opening up language barriers.
And as fun as it's been for us to show you, it's even more amazing when you experience it yourself.
Some of these Galaxy AI features may also be available on other Galaxy devices. We hope you enjoyed this guide, and thanks for watching.